Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually track your World Remit money transfer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you would do is, first of all, you will have to make sure that you are logged in your World Remit app, where you can simply go to this worldremit.com here in your browser and get signed in right over there. Once you are done with that, what you're going to do is simply going to find this kind of interface, including your app or in the website. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner if you are in your website. If you are in your app, you will find those options below. Then after you have done so, you will find this my transactions named option. Go ahead, tap on it. This will basically show you all the transactions that you have done, including that is on the process, because the World Remit do help you with you do your transaction. Let me show you. If we go back and simply swipe down, we will find the method, airtime, top up, bank transfer, cash pickup, mobile money, the ways for us to transfer. So if I go to our transaction, it will list all of the transaction types we have done over here. Once you have found your particular transaction, currently I do not have any, you will go ahead, tap on the transaction and enter the transaction code that you have got. So after the completing, once you have entered that, you will be able to check on the exact tracking of it, what like how many times it's gonna take, like what is happening. So you will get the details thoroughly from over there. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.